Morning, Carter. Let me introduce myself. I'm Mark. I'm not Nomadic Brit. You're a friend. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to do a quick detour. I wasn't going to come off here, but there's two big truck stops here. Let's just see what. Sometimes you get some weird and wonderful trucks here, big oversized loads. So let's just have a quick look. We'll come off here, turn right, and then they're down here on the right hand side. So we'll go to the one on the right first of all, because that makes life a lot easier.
Bear left onto I-65 north. Speed limit reduced ahead.
This is what we crazy Londoners do in the USA. Yep, on a red light, but here you can actually turn right on the red light as long as it's only coming. And yes, I'm happy, that's why it's moving slow. Right, yeah, now there's a big oversized
Turn
truck.
in the second right onto I-65.
I was only right, so let's go to this one and you'll see how big these trucks are. The truck's not there, but what he's towing is, I don't know what that is, it's big. So it's all over. You can see it now, it's red. Go around. Just go over there. It's obviously part of some agricultural thing. Can you see it? Oversized load. I don't know what that is. Yeah, it looks like some big conveyor thing. That's big. There's a few trucks here. Just go around the back and you'll see a lot more. This is where we'll stop at night and go to sleep. Because all these trucks have got beds in their trucks like mine. Some of us are greedy because I've got two. So what else have we got here? We've got a bit of a crazy parking situation going on. It's a good old black truck. Yeah, this flatbed outside drive. So yeah, there's lots and lots of trucks here. So let's go to the other truck stop. See if there's anything to see in
Turn
there.
in the first left onto Nashville Road.
It's busy
Way station ahead.
Go around the
Narrow road ahead.
So, hang on a minute. Yep, some bumping over. So we're going this way. This is the exit. Wouldn't normally do that, but all the fuel island is packed out. We're going to get nowhere, so we're going to come in this way. Like you're not supposed to. So if you are a truck driver,
turn in the first right onto Nashville Road.
Okay, let's go left. This truck barrier, get out of the way. Come on, little truck. Way too wide. See, look at all these trucks. Big time in the trucks. See if we can go really right round here. What different colours? So you got bulldozer. See him over on the other side. Tend to notice that being here, that's my stupid GPS telling me I'm in the wrong place. I know that, but we'll just video needs to car, so bugger off. Right, let's go around here. Look, how many trucks? Some are already gone. Back on the road like me. See, there's that one. Looks like digger parts. Big old blades. It's got from the bulldozer.
Narrow road ahead.
So, nicely. If you look at the back of the truck, behind the doors, that's where the beds are. Some have got one, like I said, mine's got two, but I just, my top bed, I don't use it as a bed, I just took the mattress out and I keep all my belongings in different cases and stuff. So, right, I've got to get back on the road. So far, that's showing you some of the truck stops, different trucks that are here. So, anything else I see, I'll video for you. Catch you later.